Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the paper type and measuring paste. If the roll is unpasted, mix adhesive to a heavy cream consistency and let it rest 5 to 10 minutes so it hydrates evenly. Once done, lay out strips on a clean table, cutting to length and labeling top and bottom. This prevents upside-down mistakes when hanging. Make sure to smooth each strip with fingertips to check edges, and keep a damp sponge nearby so you can wipe drips quickly. Now apply adhesive uniformly with a paste brush. Work from the center toward the edges, leaving about a 0.5 to 1 centimeter margin to avoid squeeze out. Once coated, book the paper by folding the pasted sides together without creasing. Let it rest 2 to 5 minutes so the paste activates and the paper relaxes. Then align the first strip to your plumb line, smoothing from the top down. Make sure seams meet edge to edge. Do not overlap unless finish each strip by trimming excess at the top and bottom with a sharp blade and an aluminum straight edge for a clean edge. Once trimmed, run a seam roller gently along joins to compress seams and remove trapped paste, and clean any residue with a damp sponge to avoid staining. If you encounter bubbles, lift the strip back to the nearest seam and re-smooth with a brush. Small trapped air can be chased out, but if the paper tears or won't lay flat, replace that panel and reapply paste correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.